Welcome to The Explainer. Today we're breaking down exactly what a shade netting carport will cost you in Gauteng.
Okay, so how much are we talking for 2026? Let's jump right into the numbers.
So here are the ballpark figures for 2026, from a basic single to a big 6x6.
Prices can go from off for 500 to over 18,000 Rand. So why the huge difference in price?
Well, it really boils down to three main things: size, style, and your specific site conditions.
Your first big choice is wall-mounted, which attaches to the house, or freestanding, which stands on its own.
And going wall-mounted can save you a chunk of change. We're talking up to R7,000.
That's because freestanding carports need more posts, which means more materials and more labor.
And listen, the cost per post isn't fixed. Tricky ground conditions can really push that price up.
So, what are we actually talking about here? It's basically a steel frame with a tough fabric roof.
A standard quote should cover everything: the cloth, the frame, the concrete, and all the installation labor. But you'll want to watch out for extras. Things like site clearing or custom colors usually cost more.
Okay, now for the really important part, especially if you're in Gauteng. This is critical. Shade netting is fantastic for sun protection, but let's be clear, it offers zero protection from hail.
So if hail is your main concern, you've got to look at a solid steel carport instead.
So how do they stack up side by side? Let's break it down right here.
So the trade-off is pretty simple: lower cost with shade netting versus total protection with steel.
Durability-wise, the cloth lasts up to a decade. The steel frame? That'll last for over 20 years.
And the good news? Installation is super quick. Most are up and done in just a day or two.
All right, let's recap. Price depends on style, and remember, this is about sun protection, not hail.
So you know the cost. The real question is, what's the value of protecting your car from that intense high-velt sun?